Chairperson.
Thank you too.
2 interconnected cells plus backbenchers. The motion of today states that crops growing is better than animals rearing. I disagree with this motion 100% because of the following points. First of all, animals rearing refers to the process of raising and carrying animals for various purposes.
Yes.
My first point. Animals rearing is source of nutrients like protein, carbohydrates, and vitamin. My second point. Animals rearing help in Rwandan culture. I can explain my point like this. Animals rearing help in Rwandan culture by giving dowry during wedding ceremony or marriage ceremony. My third point. Animals rearing promote friendship. I can explain my point like this. Animals rearing promote friendship among people. When you give an animal to your friend, can promote friendship. Thank you, Chairperson.
Thank you. Any question before she leaves the floor? Any kind of question before she leaves the floor? Thank you very much. You can just leave the floor. Thank you, Honorable. In proposition side.
You're highly welcome.
Yes.
Thank you, Chairperson.
Thank you.
Proposal side, opposite side, plus the audience at charge. The motion of today states that crops growing is better than animals rearing. Crops growing is the growing of crops either of food or